To withdraw cash from a Wells Fargo ATM using your debit card, start by tapping your card on the contactless sign on the right side of the machine. Next, enter your 4-digit PIN code. If you've forgotten it, you can reset it at a branch or request a new one by mail. Once authorized, the ATM will display various options. Select Get Cash from the main screen. You can then choose from popular withdrawal amounts ranging from $20 to $700. The next step allows you to specify the denomination of your withdrawal, either $20 or $50. After that, you'll need to decide how you want to receive your receipt: via email to your Wells Fargo inbox, as a text message to your phone, printed from the ATM, or skipped altogether. Upon making your selection, the ATM will prepare your cash, which can be collected from the dispenser below. Your receipt, if chosen, will be printed on the right side of the ATM. The process is complete, and you have successfully withdrawn cash from your Wells Fargo debit card at an ATM.